All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Yes.
Is there any pressure on us to buy gifts?
Sorry, repeat.
Is there any pressure on us to buy gifts?
I don't think so. There is any pressure on us to buy a gift. I think it depends on our thinking and different occasion. If you want to buy a gift or to send a gift to your friend, I think it depends on you. It's not like a pressure on you.
Okay, just try to use a variety of words. For example, for pressure, you can say we are not forced.
Force.
Or we don't have to.
Okay.
All right, or we mustn't, something like that. And
Okay.
answer should go like in proper order. For example, is there any pressure on us to buy gifts? Well, it depends. Sometimes if you give a gift where you are formal and you have already received a gift from that person,
Okay.
then there may be some sort of pressure because sometimes we reciprocate the same gifts in terms of amount. On the other hand, if you are casual with your friends and your friend has never given you any gift and you are going to start that, then there is no pressure on you. So I think it depends. Something like this.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go on.
Did you ever buy a gift for yourself?
For myself, no, I don't think so. But as I remember, last year I bought a digital watch for myself. It was very beautiful watch, and it fascinated me a lot. So I just forced myself to buy it.
All right, this answer is good, but you need to be fluent.
Okay.
And your all these thoughts should come quickly.
Okay.
Okay. All right. One last question I would like to ask you. Would you like to buy a gift for your friend in the future?
Yeah, I would like to buy a gift. I was just thinking to buy a laptop for my husband. He just want to buy.
He wants to
He
buy.
wants to buy a laptop for himself, and I was just thinking to surprise him and arrange a laptop for him.
Good. Fluency.
Okay.
You need to focus that, okay? Because
Okay.
you're repeating the like that, so just try to speak fluently,
Okay.
okay? Thank you very much.